And we gotta do this in 30 minutes because I want to watch a movie. It comes on at 7 and it's 6:23. Come on now. Hi Flower Garden, I'm coming at you. Hold on. Hi Flower Garden. Sorry, the one last time. Hi Flower Garden, welcome back to my channel. I am coming at you fresh or live with fresh hair. This is freshly washed hair. I just took off that towel turban thing. So what I'm going to do is put some K18 in my hair. Now my hair is not detangled, so that's gonna be a doozy. That's gonna be a fun time. Alrighty, so with the K18, put a pump or two from the middle to the ends of your hair. Wait 4 minutes, and then style however you want. You don't need a lot for this product. I myself use as directed, so 1.5 pumps for the back sections since I'm splitting my hair in 4, and I'm going to do 1 pump for the sections in the front. But the K18 is all in my hair, so 4 minutes starts now. Alrighty, it's been 4 minutes. So the first product I'm going to use is the Braid Hair Cream Elastic Bounce Leave-In. Also going to spray it down a little bit. But I'm going to be attempting a braid out. Alright, so hopefully this goes well. Y'all will see it if it doesn't go well. Because I don't know, but the hair will just be up in a ponytail this week, in a bun, some type of thing like that. I don't know. I'm gonna detangle using this. I don't know. Like, I don't know why my hair is like, feels matted. Like the curls are just like stuck together and stuff. And I don't like that. Look at that. What? Maybe this isn't gonna be done in 30 minutes. I switched to my unbrush lately. My Tangle Teezer, first of all, when it gets old, where they put the brush in, the sides here, the seams, it snags my hair, and it's like you're doing the opposite of what you're supposed to be doing. And then I just feel like it don't be detangling. It does more pulling on my hair than it does detangle. So I've just been going to the unbrush. But I've seen a few black owned detangling brushes, and I have them down in my notes. I just haven't purchased them yet. But since these brushes are getting old and weird and worn out apparently, I'm going to look into those. Happy Black History Month. This and the makeup video you're going to see after was filmed on February 1st.
Not knowing each other for real. Hold up. Lord, it's flower bound, firefly. Low. Take me high. Teach you all the summer love. Flower bomb. Let me guess your favorite fragrance. You got that bomb. I'm trying that in nature. No disrespecting, baby. Just try and make you smile. Try to keep my spirits up. That's why I lays it down. Try to keep your spirits up. Little rock or whatever. Took it forever to get dressed. I acknowledge your effort. So I clap for her. She deserves an applause. Shawty working so hard. She deserves a baton. Shawty wear your baton. Racing through my mind like she heard that. I got that work. I heard that she been on strike. Care to tell? I read your mind. She been on them dollars first. Caramel, macchiatos, but shawty get in the work. I can be your good friend, be your nigga, or it can with perks. I'm just trying to work that. They just trying to work your nerves. I'm just trying to read your mind. I'm just trying to feed you mine. I'm just trying to give you light. They just trying to live in a fantasy. I feel it when you dance with me. It's feeling like you need to be my lady, my baby. Can't you see? Talking about eternity. Tell me, would you carry me, my lady, my baby? Flower bomb, can I blow up on your mind? This is not no Sandra Bull, but your potion number 9. Navigating through her eyes, destination to her thighs. And I hate to tell you too much, cause I stay with too much pride. And we way too young to know love. Maybe not, but we don't need no rush. Don't believe in love at first sight, but believe in love at first. Can I be with you just one night? I can wear you out inside. I can tell you like persistence, but I make you come to tries. I just think we need one night. Can't decide if I can ain't right. Easy baby, my thing tight, but that lotus flower just ain't right. I ain't thinking I ain't right. Can't decide, but I can't fight. Easy baby, you the bomb and but I be dead body now.
Okay, the sections are all detangled. That took the 30 minutes. Do I just do wash and goes? Like, I just can't. And it's a little bit my fault since I didn't wash my hair last week, but I did semi-detangle it when I refreshed it. So it's like, I don't know what's going on, but I'm not feeling it. But next up, I'm going to do the braids. I'm going to use the Donna Recipes by Tabitha Brown, the Sweet Potato Pie Extra Creamy Hair Cream. Pairing that with is for what's left of the Uncle Funky's Daughter Curling Magic. Yeah, there's only about to be 4 braids per section because last time I tried to do a good twist out or whatever. So the last time I tried to do a twist out, it didn't come out good, and the braid I did like smaller sections. But the last time I had a braid out. See, keep saying twist out. Last time I had a braid out where I liked the results and was like, okay. It was 1 by accident. 2, there was bigger braids in my head, which is why I was like, huh? But yeah, I'm taking that much. The gel cream per section. And I'm just going to try to split it evenly into 3 sections so that I don't have to borrow, and then braid it down.
And I ain't tripping or acting shady, cause baby, you know I ain't never had nobody show me all the things that you done show me in a special way. I feel when you're me, we gon' always be together, baby, that's what she told me, and I believe it, cause I ain't never had nobody do me like you. And every time I think about you,
So once it's about like 4 inches to my hair, 3 inches to my hair, I'm gonna twist it.
and every time you're out on the road, and whenever I'm doing a show, that I'm your main chick, who got the game chick, one in the same chick, the one you can
Get out the excess.
I feel when you're me, we gon' always be together, baby, that's what she told me, and I believe it, cause I ain't never had nobody do me like you. Hit the mall, pop tags, spend a few G's in, hit the runway to a new season. It ain't nothing, it's more than what I care for. Feel like I ain't doing enough, that's when I share more. I give you this, give you that, what you need, love. You know I gotta holler at me if you need love and affection, cause I be your protection. Kinda hard job, but I do it to perfection. And you can tell that I ain't tryna let you go. I get with you when I can, so that's how I let you know. And you be tripping, cause sometimes I gotta go, but you the first one I holler to, right after my show. And I was tripping in a sense, I was tense, but my body loose around you, but I'ma do it out you. I gotta get it together, say whatever, but since I met you, my life seems so better. I ain't never had nobody show me all the things that you done told me, in the special way I feel. When you hold me, we gon' always be together, baby, that's what you told me, and I believe it. I ain't never had nobody do me like I ain't never had nobody show me all the things that you done show me, in a special way I feel. When you hold me, we gon' always be together, baby, that's what you told me, and I believe it. 'Cause I ain't never had nobody do me like you. All you gotta do is say yes. Don't deny what you feel, baby, and that's your day. Open up your mind, just rest. I'm about to let you know you make me so. All you gotta do is say yes. Don't deny what you feel, baby, and that's your day. Open up your mind, just rest. I'm about to let you know you make me so, 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 so. You make me so, 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 so. I wanted you to have everything I never had. I'm so sorry, but I don't make you feel sad. I'm holding on. Mama's got a lot to learn. I'm holding on.
Yeah, stuff like that.
All right, I am all done here. Finally, see, I can't be doing this. This takes forever. Takes forever. Yeah, my hair. Oh my god, my Shayla. I'm gonna take the towel and squeeze out any excess product that can still be in there. I'm gonna spray my hair with heat protectant by Pattern because I am gonna sit under the hooded dryer.
Eat that girl for lunch. Eat that girl for lunch. Eat that girl for lunch. I could eat that. I could eat that.
Yeah, there's 7 braids on each side, so 14 total, and this is what we're looking like.
It's like she might be the one. 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 I can never get.
Yep, so I'm gonna go sit under the hooded dryer. I'm gonna come back on Monday to do the takedown and fluff and all the greatness. Hopefully it looks great. Yeah, I'll see y'all then. Alright, it is Monday. I'm just oiling my scalp first. I forgot to do it last night.
Baby, I think you were made for me. Somebody write for the recipe. I'm trying hard not to go for.
And to take down my hair, I'm using the Ouai Hair Oil. I'm going to just separate and we'll take down the braid and separate at the same time.
If I'm alright, I'll help you take it all. It's a craving, not a crush. I could eat that girl for lunch. Eat that girl for lunch. I could eat that girl for lunch. Eat that girl for lunch. Yeah, she takes us on the tongue. Tastes like she might be the one. I could never get enough. I could buy her so much stuff. It's a She dances on my tongue. I know it's just a hunch, but she might be the one.
High five. I feel like there's nothing in my way. All this money on me, it feels amazing. In the Range Rover, I'm racing. Me and y'all niggas still dating. I don't wanna talk, I'm dancing. I don't need no fake love, no, I don't need no favor. I'm on my tangled my way, I'm gonna get paid, yeah. I wanna get paid.
Still looking a leasy bit boneless to me. When I mean, yeah, like my hair just seems so airy and not full. I don't really like that. Like my hair looks see-through.
I gonna control my like you don't spend money, oh, like you don't eat my pussy. I'm gonna get paid, yeah. Just be my mood, la la la. I really like to party.
Alright, so I guess this is the final look. I think it's cute. It's soft. I don't know how long it's gonna last, but it's cute for now. Right, but this is the end of the video. Thank you for coming back and watching another one. So, thank you for sticking around. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Watch any past videos if you haven't before. Not sold. I'm gonna watch it. I do want to try some perm rods and some flexi rods, but yeah. Let me know what you think of the look down below. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.